I can't hear you.
Fine.
How's everybody doing today?
Okay.
Woo! That's what I'm talking about. My name is Romeo, Mr. Level Honey Dipper Young Wonder, and I'll be doing one of my tracks called I Just Might, and it goes out to all the ladies. So this track's for y'all. Afraid to be misunderstood by some that do not know the feelings that we really share run as deep as they can go, deep and true as any love. But ours is so unique. Friendship and so much more. Of this I cannot speak. I cannot allow myself to think about the many what ifs. Cause wondering about what might be will lead me to that cliff. I'll stand there at the very brink and peer down from above. But when I see that peaceful scene, babe, I just might fall in love. But to tell you the truth, I think I'm already in love. I'm already in love with you, with you, with you, and with you. There's nobody else but you.
Yeah.
Every breath that I take, every move that I make, it's for you and for you only. So all I ask is for you to give me one chance. I want to hold you so tight, treat you so right. Want to be with you every day and every night. I love you, boo.